Sematext is an all-in-one full-stack monitoring solution, helping you keep tabs on and drill down into each part of your technology stack. Today, we are going to talk about how to manage all of your agent installations. Now, we all know that scaling vertically is very important, but there will come a time when you need to scale horizontally. In other words, there will come a day when you need to monitor more servers, nodes, cloud instances, or all of the above. And as you deploy more agents to collect this data across your infrastructure, things can get pretty hectic. This is where Fleet and Discovery comes into play. Fleet and Discovery is a new and unified tool to help you keep tabs on all your agents and what they are doing. Fleet is where you can manage all of your installed agents, and Discovery is where you can see your discovered services and logs. On the Fleet and Discovery tab under Agents, you can see all instances of the Sematext agent running across your entire infrastructure. You can see the host, the services in the dropdown, versions of the installed agents, its status, and to which app the agent is shipping its data. This gives you an overview of all hosts where the Sematext agent is running. Monitor the health status of each agent and ensure that your services are properly monitored. Clicking on the host name, you can easily check on the status of that particular agent, see which log agents and metric agents are working, and discover which agents are causing an error. You can also quickly diagnose any issues relating to the agent by inspecting its logs. If you have any trouble with the installation process or with an existing agent, you can easily send a diagnostics report to the Sematext support team right here. If you would like to add another agent to your fleet, you can do so by simply clicking on the Agent Installation button, selecting the environment type, and following the installation instructions. Our meticulously designed agent automatically discovers and ships logs and metrics from each service, ensuring a seamless monitoring experience. However, if you find that certain data is not being discovered or shipped to the wrong app, we can fix that here in Discovery. Mousing over to Discovery, then selecting Services, we see an overview of discovered services. Here we can see which services are or are not being monitored. If you have not set up your agent for infrastructure or log monitoring yet, you can simply click on the Setup button under the Metrics or Logs column to assign these services to a particular Sematext app. To see all discovered services, click on the service name. Going down to logs, we can see exactly in which directories the agents found logs. To see a preview of this log data, click the log path, hit the preview button, and select your preview option. If you haven't already done so, be sure to select where you want these logs to go via the destination app prompt. Select auto log discovery for most situations, and you are off to the races. If the agent is not discovering your desired logs, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us via our website and we will gladly help you out. Monitoring services across your entire technology stack has never been easier with Sematext, so give Sematext Cloud a free try today. The link is where links usually are.